Hi there, and welcome to this xBesh AI review. If you're searching for a quicker, smarter way to create your own SaaS tools without coding a single line, then you're in the right place. xBesh AI is a powerful no-code tool that makes it possible for anyone, digital entrepreneurs, marketers, and agency owners, to bring their software ideas to life within just a few minutes. You might want to build a client-facing application, automate a service, or establish a complete SaaS company. xBesh AI simplifies the entire process using a few commands. In this video, I'll walk you through the official xBesh AI demo, so you can see for yourself how it works, why it stands out, and how you can start building your very first SaaS product today. No technical skills required. And stick around until the end, because after the demo, I'll share with you how you can get your hands on a turbocharged bonus package that will allow you to grow faster, promote better, and make xBesh AI a home run moneymaker. I'll also give you the pricing and demonstrate how you can get started with zero risk. Now, let's dive into the xBesh AI demo and see this game-changing tool in action.
Stop dreaming and start building. How many great software ideas died because of development is too slow, too expensive, or requires expert coding skills that you just don't have, right? What if you can take any idea, a SaaS business, a web app, a custom tool, and turn them into live production-ready software in minutes? Well, that's not the future. That's xBesh AI, and it's here. Hey everyone, it's Adrian here, and I'm really thrilled to introduce you to xBesh. Now, xBesh is an AI platform that understands your ideas and automatically generates the code, sets up the database, integrates payments, connects AI features, and deploys in live. No coding, no complex drag and drop builders, zero technical experience is needed. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, we thought so too. So we've put xBesh to the ultimate test. We gave it 3 different software ideas in one challenge. Build all of 3 fully functional in under 60 minutes per each. So let's see what happened. First up, an AI-powered invoice reminder, a classic micro-SaaS idea. We simply describe it what we need and automatically remind clients about unpaid invoices using smart AI-powered generated message. And there it is. We got the platform. We can look at it. It's fully created along with the marketing landing page. Plus, it is fully functional. So if we log in over here, I'm already logged in, we can basically see the beautiful looking dashboard. We can get the invoices, we can create new invoices, and all of this already works. We got the reminder dashboard where we're going to be listing all of the reminders that are being sent, the engagement, the financial impact, reminder strategies where basically you can create new strategies based on needs and niche. A fully functional web application that has like secure user authentication, a dashboard to manage invoices, a seamless Stripe integration for payment status as well. It even uses OpenAI to craft personalized reminder messages that isn't a mock-up, it's live built by xBesh. Remember the key, the entire application idea to live reality created by xBesh in minutes. 0 lines of code written by us, 0 drag and drop, 0 technical hurdles. Okay, everything is working and everything is perfectly aligned with a true SaaS business. Now, a little bit of platform analytics. Well, the project overview was to target freelancers, small businesses. The development time that it took us to create this was about 27 minutes with xBesh, and our initial investment is actually $0. Now, that is excluding the xBesh investment, right? So the time efficiency actually, building such platform with traditional development would take us anywhere between 6 to 10 weeks, including app, including landing pages and everything. But with xBesh, we managed to do all this in under 30 minutes, okay? So that's 99.8% time saved. Not to talk about the cost, which are an important pillar of building these apps. Now, the cost efficiency is like 90% savings. I think even more than this. So traditionally, this would cost us anywhere about $8,000 to $50,000 to create. Well, xBesh, we was able to create it basically with 0 spendings. Okay. You can go ahead and try Koala invoices for yourself right now. Next, we got something different. a screen recording applications, another popular SaaS model like Loom, right? So Loom has been sold for $1 billion, and we managed to recreate Loom quality screen recording application in under 24 minutes. Okay, so we asked xBesh to create a simple tool that users can record the screen and save it, and boom. Right, we got the full application. Not only that we got the application, but we also created the beautiful looking landing page for it as well. So let's go ahead and sign in into this application. As you can see, we have like user authentication linked with Supabase database. Okay, so let's go ahead and use the demo credentials. You can do this yourself as well on the page. And right now, if I want to just start a new recording, I can say like record my full screen. I can select the screen I want to record, a window or the entire screen. So let's just go ahead and record this part. Okay, now I'm recording this, boom, we go back here onto the recording. We stop the recording, and here we got the recording saved with the audio and the visual and anything. We can play it out over here. I can hear it in my headphones. So you can basically go ahead and just test ScreenWave yourself. We have the full demo over here. Just look over it. So there you have it. Boom, right? Here's the result. User accounts, check. Database connection for storing user info and recording, done. A clean interface which is ready to go with multiple settings over here. So you can choose the file format, you can choose the video quality, record microphone, choose your microphone, record audio system, and you can even enable camera. Like I don't have mine right now, but if you do have camera, it's going to show up over here. You can change this to square, to rectangle, to circle. You can even place the camera whatever you want this to be showing up on your screencast, and also make it larger or smaller. And yeah, all of these settings are fully functional. You can go ahead and test this application yourself and record your screen. Now, I've been paying monthly for years to Loom and similar applications. Now I have my own screen recording applications, which is the same one I basically used for this screen recording demo. So bottom line, xBesh handled the front end, the backend logic, the database setup, everything. Again, created in minutes, no coding required, fully functional. This demonstrates the versatility, and you can go ahead and test this application right now by clicking on these buttons. Finally, let's target a specific business needs, an appointment scheduler for dental clinics. So we describe the requirements like build me a web app for dental clinics to handle patient scheduling. And then we gave it all the requirements like patient login, calendar view, booking slots, admin management. So we provided all this detail, and immediately xBesh started to work on us. Look at the speed of this thing. It's just starting to create our application, and boom. xBesh delivered us the fully functional platform with the marketing landing page, along with the application fully developed. A professional looking scheduler where patients can book appointments, the clinic can manage schedules. It includes user authentication, connected database, ready to handle patient data securely. Okay, now look at this thing right here. It's fully functional. Everything works. Patient appointments, patients, dentist appointments, even reports, and even settings page where you can have all of this. Think of the potential of building niche tools, all done through xBesh, live, ready, zero technical expertise needed. 3 distinct, fully functional live applications, an AI-powered SaaS, a screen recorder, and a niche business tool, each featuring user authentication, database connection, Stripe integration, even OpenAI integrations were needed, all built and deployed in under 60 minutes total. With zero code written by hand, zero drag and drop tools used, zero prior technical experience required. Just the power of your idea and xBesh AI. This is the truly unprecedented speed and accessibility in software development and creation.
I have a special deal for you. If you purchase xBesh AI through my review link below, you'll have direct access to my premium bonuses absolutely free of charge. They're designed to make you successful quicker, whether it's building your SaaS tools, marketing, or building permanent income strategies. They will be sent automatically to your purchasing email. Now, You can get started with xBesh AI for just $47, a one-time payment with no monthly subscription fee, and you're covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. So there's no risk to give it a try. Just make sure to grab it through my review link in the description below so you can get your free bonus bundle that can have a huge difference in what you can do.